How to create commercial invoice in Businet. Users can create commercial invoice by clicking the add button on the list page. Then users need to select the customer name, its salesperson. After that, the user need to select the shipment number and define the exchange rate. All the items will be auto-populated, and if needed, users can change the invoice prices, they can also add other charges like freight outward, etc. Further, they need to add mandatory details in other details section, such as trade terms, PI of receipt by pre-carrier, and port of loading. Additionally, if required, they can change the GL account and can also allocate the cost center, which will be auto-reflected in the financial accounting module once the document has been approved. Users can also generate the PDF print of the commercial invoice and the sales voucher. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact Businet team.